Welcome. Meet Paul. He wanted to promote his business. He searches online to find different ways of promoting. Then he came across whiteboard animation. So he contacted an animation agency. They create great videos, but they cost hundreds of dollars per minute. Imagine if you could do the same video at only $5. Now you can. You can promote your business, engage customers, increase sales, and become successful at only $5. Exclusively on Fiverr. Contact us today at fiverr.com/fanboy.